Hello, this is Crowe. I'm in Aisha Love's 100K Babes Mastermind training, and in that training, uh, we're to do a video each day where we discuss things we've learned. And one thing that we learned was that we need to do an income producing activity every day. Well, today I was going to do a blog post, but then I said, I want some better keyword phrases to go in that blog post. So what I did was I went to ChatGPT to do the research for this. And I'm actually doing today's video on doing that research. So what I will do is tomorrow's video, I will show you where I actually do the blog. And on today's video, this is not really an income producing activity. I'm just doing the research for that income producing activity tomorrow. So in this, here I am at the computer showing you how I use ChatGPT to do the keyword research that I'm going to use to go in my blog. In yesterday's video, I told you about where that I did a video where I was discussing one of the products in the marketplace. But when I went to ChatGPT to have ChatGPT to write me the video script, I used the term that was on the website. It was called Bull Runner's Tank Top. But ChatGPT thought that was for runners. So the entire script was discussing running, which was not exactly what I wanted. But also, if ChatGPT misunderstands that, then that also means that maybe in your videos, if you use Bull Runner's Tank Top, then also YouTube or Google may also misinterpret what you really want, and you may not get the visitors that you think you're getting. Maybe someone is not interested in what you have. So it's kind of interesting that ChatGPT thought that that was a product for runners. So anyway, I went ahead and did that video yesterday, but then I redid it. And the second time, I changed my search term. I put women's tank top by bull runners. And then that way it did a better job of actually describing the product that was on our marketplace. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to create a blog using that same information. But so I went ahead and told ChatGPT yesterday to go ahead and write me a blog post. And it did. So I already have the blog post that's written by ChatGPT. On tomorrow's video, I'm going to show you how I do the blog post. But for the blog post, I wanted some keyword phrases to show up in my blog post that would help me get better traffic to that blog post. So what I did, I went to ChatGPT again today, and here's the prompt I used. I put write 15 related keyword phrases for and women's tank top by bull runners for keyword phrases that have a high search volume and either low or medium competition. So ChatGPT said, okay, here we go, we're going to do it. But they mentioned SEO, that's search engine optimization. The better keyword phrases you have, the better your search engine optimization will be, and the more visitors you're going to get sent to your site by Google or YouTube. But I won't read all of that, but I'm going to skip on down. I actually was asking for keyword phrases, but I'm using the new extension, the AIRPM extension, and it's on the browser, and I clicked on it. And clicked keyword research. Well, when I did, I've not seen this. I've done keyword research just on the regular GPT. This was completely different from what I've seen in the past. And looking at this, it gave me a chart. It has the keyword cluster. Like the first one, it says product features. The keyword phrase is women's tank tops for running. And it says this is a commercial intent. In the table, if it's not commercial, even though people visit your site, they're not going to buy from you. If it's just for information, If they're only looking for information, they're not going to buy from me probably. You might get a few, but not many. But when it says it's commercial, then these visitors will be more likely to buy from you than the ones where it's just for information. Then it gives a title that you could use. You can use this as a title for a video. You can use this for a title for a blog post. It says Best Women's Tank Tops for Runners by Bull Runners. And then they also give you a meta description. Discover the top women's tank tops for running by bull runners that provide both style and performance. Improve your running game and stay comfortable with these top perks. This is kind of light. I had a tough time seeing it. That's why I was struggling reading it. I don't see well. I mentioned that in an earlier video too. But I guess I should have used my magnifying glass on it so I could see it better. I'll do that for the next one. Maybe I can see it a little better. Let's look at the next keyword phrase and discuss it. Let me move my picture out of the way. For it, first it mentions the keyword cluster, which is product features. Then for the keyword phrase, women's compression tank tops, this is commercial. By them thinking it's commercial, that means that the people who visit your site from this keyword phrase will be expecting to buy. Then there is a title that you might use for either a video or for a blog post. Women's Compression Tank Tops by Bull Runners, Ultimate Support and Style. And then they have a meta description. The meta description says, looking for a comfortable and supportive tank top in your workouts? Check out Bull Runners Women's Compression Tank Tops. They provide the ultimate support and style you need to perform your best. So I asked for 15 of these, but I didn't get 15. So what I did, that happens fairly often in using ChatGPT. So what I did was, when I noticed it didn't give me 15, if you say rewrite it, it'll rewrite it. I use continue, so I type continue, and I thought it was going to give me the rest of these, but it kind of started over again. And what it did was, it gave me actually keyword phrases, which is kind of what I thought I was asking to start with. So it did give me 15 keyword phrases. Like, for instance, there's Bull Runners Women's Tank Top. And on the Bull Runners Women's Tank Top, then look at some of the others. There's stylish tank tops for women. I'll just skip through some of the others. Maybe women's performance tank tops, women's cotton tank tops. But of these keyword phrases, the reason I wanted these keyword phrases is that tomorrow I'm going to do a blog. I had ChatGPT to write the blog yesterday. It did the text for the blog when I was doing the scripts for the videos. And I will do the blog tomorrow and show you how to do the blog. But today I'm looking at the keywords I'm going to use. But what I'm going to do is, in the blog, before each paragraph, I'm going to put one of these keyword phrases. I'll find the one that closely matches that paragraph. I'll put it as a header for that paragraph and bold it. That way, it lets the search engine know that, hey, this is an important keyword phrase, so that will help me get more traffic. And I will do that blog for you tomorrow. But what it did also, it went ahead and gave me another table. These were not exactly the same terms that was in the first one. It did change some of these up. But notice some of these are informational. If it's informational, then the people that's coming to your site more than likely won't buy. It's commercial. If it's commercial, then a commercial term means that the people who visit your site are more likely to buy than the people who come that's just looking for information. But going back to the first group, see there's some commercial, then there's an informational, So the commercial ones will be better. That will get you, all of them will get you visitors, but if it says commercial, that visitor is more likely to buy than if they are an informational visitor. So I will do the blog tomorrow. So I'll see you tomorrow, where that I will take some of these keyword phrases and I'll put them in with my blog post and show you how to post the blog. I'll see you in tomorrow's video.